Hi everyone, in my today video I will be teaching us on how to take our body measurements. You will agree with me that you will need this measurement to be able to cut your clothes and to sew your clothes. So follow me as I show you step by step method on taking your measurements. Then first of all, you start with your bust measurement. This is the bust. You can see this mannequin, the bust measurement is 34. You now move to the waist measurement. See, the waist measurement is 25. Then from there, you move to the hip measurements. You can see it's 39. Then when taking your length, you make sure that the tape is on top the bust so that you'll be able to have an accurate length measurement. So you can take your length for long gown, short gown. It depends on what you are taking the length for. Then you go ahead and take the shoulder measurements. See your shoulder measurements. And my mannequin doesn't have hand, then from there you can proceed to the hand. So that determines how you want the sleeve length to be. You can proceed to the hand. Maybe in case your own mannequin have hand, you can proceed to the hand, but the sleeve length measurement can start from somewhere here. You can just take something like that. From this place, we'll move forward to your pattern paper and I'll show you how to cut it on your pattern paper before you can transfer it to your fabric. Stay with me and watch my next video. Thank you.